Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sabiso and today we'll be talking about dividends. So the overall meaning of dividends is a payment that the company usually does quarterly to investors, and some companies pay it monthly, and it differs from company to company. Some companies do pay dividends, some companies don't pay dividends. So today we'll be talking about the 5 different types of dividends. So the first kind of dividends is cash dividends. So what are cash dividends? Cash dividends are the cash payments from a company to the shareholders. That cash is deposited into the shareholders' brokerage accounts. And the second kind of dividend is stock dividends. Stock dividends are extra shares that a shareholder gets quarterly. And the third kind of dividends are reinvestment programs, which are also known as DRIPs. So DRIPs are automatically reinvested into the company. So if you were supposed to get a dividend in your brokerage account, that amount is automatically reinvested into the company. And the fourth one is special dividends. Special dividends are dividends that a company usually pays maybe once in several years, depending on the cash flow of the company for the past several years. It's just a special dividend, as it is said in the word special. It's not a yearly or quarterly dividend. It's a dividend that the company pays to its shareholders for holding on to the shares for that certain amount of period. If the company has been performing good. And the last kind of dividend are preferred dividends are paid to preferred stocks owners, and they are usually like bonds. They are a fixed amount that is deposited to their brokerage account. So they are not like they do not differ in terms of the amount that is deposited into the brokerage account, like the normal stocks, whereas they differ from quarter to quarter depending on the amount of profit that the company is making.